Hi grade sixes, welcome to IXL English. Today we are going to be continuing with our word usage, relationships and usage. Today we're going to be looking at which sentence matches the definition, very similar to the homophone homograph. Here you have the homograph where it is the same spelling and they mean different things. So here an important part of this is to look at the part of speech that it uses, because this will help you a lot. Let's look at the learn with an example to find the information here. Some words have more than one meaning. We read this all yesterday. Right, yeah, we read that all yesterday, so there's nothing new. You can revise that on your notes if you wish. They are on your work outline. Let's look at this one here, exhaust. This is a verb to make someone tired. All right, so did spending all day walking around exhaust you? The pollution from the exhaust burned our eyes and made it hard to breathe. Right, so this is a verb, the one they are asking us to use. So it's a doing word, right? Verb, doing word. So did spending all day around do something to you? Yes. The pollution from the do something, no. This is a noun, that exhaust, okay? So that doesn't fit in that sentence. So the exhaust to make someone tired is definitely the first option. All right, let's look at the second. Bluff. This is a noun, which is a steep cliff. All right, they strolled along the bluff. The thing, remember with a noun, you can call it a thing, it's an object. They strolled along the object, staring out at the ocean. If you object or thing during the game, no, this is now a verb. If you bluff during the game, Mr. Evans is sure to see right through it, right? The bluff is like you are playing a game of poker or something and you're trying to get somebody to believe you don't have a card when really you do. That's called bluffing. All right, so they strolled along the bluff. That is the noun of a steep cliff. Again, if you're getting these incorrect, the best idea is to write down on a list on a piece of paper and add it to your study notes for your test. Okay, column. This is a noun, a tall pillar that holds something up. So a noun. An Ionic style column has a scroll-shaped ornament at the top. Please add all the numbers in the right-hand column. Now, a tall pillar that holds something up. Both of these are nouns, so you need to figure out which context actually gives the information. So is this one, please add all the numbers in the right-hand column. That would be something on your piece of paper that you're adding up. That is not a tall pillar that holds something up. The first one has that definition. Okay, so you can carry on with those. M9, we're going to be looking at M10 today, and we're looking at analogies. We're going to be spending a little bit of time on analogies again tomorrow, just to cement in the information. But let's look at with an example, just to see the different types of analogies you might be coming across in this activity. Analogies show the relationships between two pairs of words. So example is finger is to hand, as petal is to flower. So that would be the analogy, and this is what it means. A finger is part of a hand, a petal is part of a flower, so they both have the same relationship. All right, so here are some common analogy relationships. You might have synonyms, an example of which is nice is a synonym of kind. Antonyms, awake is an antonym of asleep, opposites, right? Degree, cool is like cold but less extreme, so it's not quite as intense, I guess. So the degree of something might be it's a little bit or a lot like that. Okay. Cause and effect. A joke tends to cause laughter, right? So a cause and effect. Part and whole. Finger is part of a hand. That's similar to finger is to hand as petal is to flower. All right. Item and category. A cat is a kind of an animal. Item and purpose. The purpose of a pen is to write. Worker and tool. An artist uses a paintbrush as a tool. Worker and product. A writer is a person who creates a book. Okay, so let's try some of these. You might want to have that open next to you to refer to. But see how you go. Those notes are available to you on your work page. Okay, complete the analogy. Breakfast is to meal. All right, so if you think about it, breakfast is a meal. It's like a category, right? Breakfast is a meal as crib is to mother. Is crib a type of mother? No. Is to bed. Is crib a type of bed? Yes, it is. All right, so that would be the answer to that analogy. Let's look at this one. Neighborhood is to city. So neighborhood is a small part of a city, as province is to country. So is province a small part of a country? Yes. Is province to Canadian? Well, Canada has got province, but Canadian is more of an adjective. It's a proper adjective. So province is a small country. Okay, let's look at this one. Quiet is to silent, both synonyms. Quiet, silent, very similar. As mean is to cruel. Those are very similar. As mean is to sad, no. Mean people might make you sad, but mean and sad don't mean the same thing. All right. Do you see how that works? You look at the first one, find out that relationship, and then apply that same relationship to finish the analogy. All right. I hope you do really well and have a good day further. Ciao for now.